Hey, 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 traders. Wow. Uh, I had to make a video about this because I feel like a deer in a headlight. I, I cannot believe that this market this month is already up 7.4%. And not just up, but look at the speed and slope of that move. I mean, you can see here we've had some bull markets in the past. This one was pretty strong, right? But if you just compare the slope of this move right to here, even that doesn't look like this, which is just pretty much straight up. Okay? This is what's happened over the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, almost going on 11 years since 2009, right? Wow. Just incredible. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Unbelievable. This is just unbelievable. Now, why is this unbelievable? Well, let me show you why it's unbelievable. Today, advanced GDP came out. Now, for those of you who don't know what GDP is, it's basically how healthy your economy and your country is growing. In other words, for your stock market to be booming, you should, at least historically, have a very strong GDP. And we actually came out, advanced GDP, 2.6% growth. They missed the expectations. Pretty scary. This is when this move started. Right? We were at negative 6% GDP growth. We popped up to about 6%, and we've been stable. Right? Clearly, we should be at these valuations. Now, if you go back and you check bubbles in the past, you will see they were always preceded by GDP growth. That's what makes this particular bubble so dangerous. Because when it does come undone, and it will, the numbers are suggesting that it's going to be extremely, extremely terrible. Just data, folks. The numbers don't lie. The data doesn't lie. Trump can say all he wants about how everything is great and wonderful. But if you're not growing and you're actually contracting, your economy is not doing well, regardless of what your employment is, regardless of anything else. This is the bottom line to where and how healthy a country is. And you can see that since the start of this, yes, it's improved, but the valuations from a historical level are extremely low. So, again, I made a video earlier. I'm in shock to see this parabolic of a move, all based, and I could understand it if we were actually growing, which we did have. You know, let's go back since all this new policy came in. Here's January. We had a pop. We dropped in April. We popped in July. We popped a little bit higher in October, which I could understand the optimism for the market rally to a certain degree. But this reading right here, now keep in mind this is advanced GDP. This reading right here means that the country, and more importantly, the businesses in the country, are not really growing. No matter what anybody tells you or wants to tell you, again, when people tell you that there's a new paradigm, it's a dangerous time. I'm just going to show you something here on bubbles. Stocks. I think I showed you this before. If you haven't seen it, it's just a neat little thing you can find on the internet, but where is it here? Let's forget about that. Whenever everybody's telling you we are in a new paradigm, right? That is usually, right there it is, forgive me. New paradigm. Everything that's old doesn't matter anymore. Greed, delusion. Now notice the slope of this bubble. These moves, where's that picture that I had here? One second. Where's that picture that I just had? Forgive me for 1 second, hang on. There we go. Notice these moves. Notice the slope of these moves. It's not terribly dramatic. This one is pretty steep, right? This one is pretty steep, right? This one's pretty steep. But notice this change here, just in the first month of the year. I am not calling a top, because this can still go higher. But this, I am short. I have puts right now, but very limited amount of puts. I'm not loading up that much. I bought puts today. Actually bought puts. I was in and out of some trades this week, long and short. I got short, I got out, I got short, I got out, and I'm now long again. So I actually have quite a bit of profit. And I did buy puts today again, and those are underwater. But this slope right here, this change to this parabolic move here, is a sign to me of something called capitulation. Okay? And if you don't know what capitulation is, let me give you that. The action of surrendering or ceasing to resist an opponent or demand. Capitulation is how all markets end. When everybody gives in and gives up, that's when bubbles end. This to me is a sign, very serious sign of capitulation. Had to make this video. I got puts. It's not a big position, small position. I'm not calling it top, but I am. And I'm calling it top based on that factor of capitulation. Okay? Hope you guys enjoyed that little video. I'm astounded! I'm in shock. I'm not calling it top, but I am. It can go a lot higher, but I am positioning myself with puts at this point in time. And yeah, shocking. Bye for now.